All right, guys. So now we're moving on to cylinders. So cylinders, the volume formula is right down here. So that'd be something to have in your notes. So you can have easy access to it or take a picture of it or something like that. Um, to find the volume of cylinders, basically you just need to know the radius and the height. Okay. So radius and height. So for number 9, the radius is going to be 18 and the height's going to be 15. Okay. So cylinder, radius of 18, height of 15 there. So when we plug everything in our formula, that looks like a weird 8. It's bothering me. All right. So when we plug everything into our formula, volume equals pi r squared times height. So pi, what's our radius? Oh, it's 18 squared times our height, which is 15. So when you do that, you plug everything in your calculator, you should get, I'm going to leave it in exact terms and also a decimal approximation. It should be 4,860 pi, which is approximately 15,268.14. All right, so both of these answers are correct. So if it asks for an exact answer, the exact answer is this one. All right, the exact answer. So on Math Excel, it might ask for the exact answer, or it might just ask you to round. So that's the decimal approximation. The exact answer is this one right here in terms of pi. Okay, in terms of pi. All right, so moving on to number 10. Number 10, we got to find the radius. Well, here, a little bit tricky, I guess. They give you 11, which is going to be the diameter. It's the length from one side to the other through the center of the circle. So we just have to do 11 divided by 2. 11 divided by 2 gives us 5.5, which is the radius. So our radius is 5.5, and then the height is just going to be 21. So plugging everything in, volume is going to equal pi times radius, which is 5.5, squared times the height, which is 21. So when you plug that in your calculator, make sure you do the 5.5 squared first and then multiply it by 21 and by pi. But yeah, do the 5.5 squared first, and that should give you 635.25 pi. And the approximation is 1,995.7 meters cubed. So either answer, they're the same thing. Just remember, are you looking for the exact answer in terms of pi, or are you looking for the decimal approximation? So either answer is fine. Just make sure you answer whatever the question is asking. Alrighty. So moving on to some application here. Moving on to some application. So the one that I want to do is number 11, because I think 11 is a little bit tricky. Where 12 isn't too bad. I kind of want you guys to try number 12 on your own. So for number 12, all you have to do is find what the volume is of this figure over here, which is a cylinder. Find the volume of that cylinder. And once you've found what the volume is, okay, whatever number V is, all you have to do is divide it by 80. And that'll give you how many hours it'll take up to fill the pool. Okay, so find the volume divided by 80. It looks like we are running out of time, but like I said, I want to look through number 11 and we will do that one together. So it tells you that you have a cylinder with a 2 centimeter diameter is drilled through the triangular prism shown to the left. Find the volume of the prism. Okay, find the volume of the prism. So to do this one, we're going to have to use both like the cylinder and triangular prism formulas. Okay.